So we're going to go ahead and seed this particular tray. This is that Rex Bib, which is the lettuce variety that we grow the most of here at our greenhouse. So we're going to wind up seeding 2 or 3 trays of this every single week, every week of the year, so that we can have a constant crop rotation of that particular type of lettuce. And it's pretty easy to do. We start by simply just putting some seed into the cap, is usually what I do. I start on the edge and just drop seed right into that little hole, which is called a dibble. And we put them all the way in. I like to work at a height that is comfortable for me. You can sit down and plant. You can have your kids plant, your neighbors, your community members, anybody that wants to help you. And we get these seeded. So here we go. A key thing when we're seeding is we want to always make sure that our hands are sanitized. I washed and sanitized my hands before I got started. And in addition, this is one of the most relaxing parts of this job. It's not particularly demanding or physical besides a little manual dexterity. And it really is an enjoyable part of this. I had several farm managers that have worked with me over the years that were all about ensuring that you set a lot of good love and intention to these seeds, because this is your future crop. This is what provides your health and nourishment. So it's a wonderful thing to be able to think happy thoughts and love these seeds as you plant them. We push them down into the hole because seeds tend to like darkness to germinate. It's not absolutely essential, but it'll help set that root off in the right direction and give us a good quality seedling. Earlier I mentioned that we mark our plugs and our rafts and everything with a Julian date. We use that, again, so we can track all the way back from the day that we drop the seed for data collection purposes as well as food safety. So we bought a simple like grocery store gun that includes a sticker, and we simply add that to our tray. There we go, to get that label. And that's it. Takes me about 1.5 minutes to get the whole thing done. I get a whole stack of these completed. We put them over on the nursery deck so they can start watering. And we've got our next week's crop going into rotation.